हे गाइस, वेलकम टू टेक टस्लर। दिस इज सत्यम राजपूत। आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि चैट जीपीटी से हम कैसे कोड एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं इजीली। सो इसके लिए हम एक काम करते हैं। कोई रैंडम कोड उठा लेते हैं गीक फॉर गीक से। लेट्स से फिबनाकी। ओके, इसमें से हम ले लेते हैं रिकर्जन वाला मेथड यूजिंग जावा। ओके, लाइक लॉगिन के लिए मांग रहा है, इसको स्किप कर देते हैं। ये हम यहाँ से ले लिया। इसके बाद हम लिखते हैं explain this code and see what GPT can do. The code is Java implemented in the Fibonacci series using recursion. The following program is defines a static method fib8 which calculates the nth number in the Fibonacci sequence using a recursive approach. In the fib8n method, the basic case is if n is less than or equal to 1, the Fibonacci returns n. For all the other scenarios, the function returns the sum of n minus 1th and n minus 2nd term of the Fibonacci sequence calculated recursively by calling the fib8 method. In the method, a variable n is set to 9 and the ninth number in the Fibonacci sequence is calculated by calling fib8 n method and printing the result. The output is of this code is will be 34, which pretty much explains the Fibonacci. Let's explain in easy terms. If you are like newbie or you are just started the learning code, then ये use कर सकते हैं. Okay, which is a sequence of a number which is either sum of the preceding number. The program uses a recursive method, which means that it calls itself to solve a problem. The method takes a number n as input and calculates the nth number. Okay, minus 2 and the main method input and requires. Okay, both explanation are bit same, but these are the ways you can explain or understand your code, which is hard, a little bit hard, or you are like facing problems to getting understanding the code. So here are the chat gpt way.